Okay, my sander is broken. I was using it a couple days ago, and this thing here about popped right off. So something broke inside, and well, it's been a pretty good sander, although it's very strong. It's got a lot of sanding power, I guess, maybe too much. So I'm going to address that too. But Black & Decker Quick Finish, and it works all right. It does what it's supposed to do. Anyways, I took the screws out of it already, and really it's not a big deal to take it apart. This thing comes off the bearing. This thing here is the counterweight that makes it sand. It's still got pretty good, not too sloppy. So before I put this back together, like I said, it's pretty strong. When you're sanding, you've got some action going on there. I already drilled out these two holes here, and I'm going to take off a lot of the meat here. I started taking out, I said, well, why drill holes? I'll just take a Dremel and remove a lot of the meat there, and we'll call that a day. Hopefully it'll cut down on the amount of power that's going through this thing as far as sanding, action. So what happened? This broke. There's two rails on either side, and they fit into slots there. And as you can see, it does not look like the other side. This is all chewed up from this. Okay, basically what happened was the rails broke and it just kept coming out, and it basically just sawed its way right through. So can I fix this? I'm kind of thinking so, believe it or not, with a credit card. So we're going to get to that. Anyways, I'll show you what's going on here. I'll take this thing apart again. Okay, again, I took the thing apart already, took the screws out of it, and set that back where it's supposed to be. This is the part that's still good. See, there's a rail here and a rail here, very small, and they fit into slots right here on both sides. Well, as obviously you can see, the rails are gone on this one. So what I'm going to do is, I got this credit card. Well, it's not a credit card, it's actually a loyalty card. And I use JB Weld to weld the two pieces together. And I'm going to form this, cut a slot underneath here, slide that in there, and glue it together with JB Weld, and this will fit in that slot and allow this to move freely. I already tried it. So like this one, believe it or not, this one's getting kind of worn too, but still usable. One of these pegs here was broke right here, and I put JB Weld on it and a little rubber band to hold it. We'll see how it works, but hopefully this sander can be brought back to life with a lot less action, so it doesn't have to work so damn hard.